Hey mates, it's me Riz, and you want to know how to get the dislike counter back. Well, fortunately, there is a way. This is for anyone who uses, Google Chrome. So you go to Google, type in YouTube dislike extension, or return YouTube dislike, and maybe add an extension. So click on here. If you have an account for Google, then this should be easy. Just click on add to Chrome, add extension. There you go. Return YouTube dislike has been added to Chrome. Manage your extension by clicking extension, yada yada yada. And we go back here. It should be on by default, but then we just click refresh.
Created by Anthony Rizzo, Sydney, Australia.
There we go. There's the like and dislike counter, and also if you go underneath, it'll pop up the like and dislike ratio. Now this is for like anyone who has like over 1,000 likes or dislikes, so it gives you an indication on the exact number. However, it might not be exact to that because well, let me just refresh this. And yes, I've tested this again and off again, so that's why the dislike popped up here. So that's weird. The dislikes is below 20 million, but on this little graph here, but it says 20 million. I don't know what the exact reason for that is, but maybe this is just estimates or something. Lastly, by default, there is a setting by default. You go on, do you want this to be used on YouTube.com, which that's the intent, or do you want to use this when you click the extension? So the default is this, but if you want to just switch it in and out, you could just go through when you click the extension. But anyway, that is it for the video, and thanks for watching to the end. But for anyone who has been subbing to my channel or waiting for one of my history videos, well, I've just been working for just non-stop. 4 days out of the week, I'm working through the day to the night. But just saying, the video is coming. All right. It's just really gonna take, I don't know when it's gonna come out. Script is done, but I can assure you, just like some other videos I've done, it will come. I just don't know when it's gonna come. But anyway, that's it for the video, and I hope I could make just some other videos when I get the chance. So that's it. Goodbye, and have a great day.